Hello everyone, this is Cybercoder and you probably know me as Cybercoder on YouTube. That was a really bad joke, but anyways, today we're back with how to make a tycoon game in Unity for beginners series part 3, 4, 5, 6, I don't know. You can probably read it in the description, or in the title, not the description, what am I saying? Anyway, so this tycoon game series has been going on for a while, but we've only have like a few episodes, and last I uploaded a video to this tycoon game series was in like December maybe, so now it's time again. So yeah, today we're going to show you how to make a tax system, because in real life you have to pay taxes for everything you buy, everything. You need to pay taxes, simply. So yeah, today we're going to add like a tax system that just takes money from you. In the future we'll probably do so. A pop-up pops up and you need to press a button for it to pay the taxes, otherwise something bad will happen, and we'll see. But from now the money will just be subtracted from your bank account. Now you might notice that this video won't be as usual. That's because sadly my original video file got corrupt, so I'll just be explaining code and you can just copy it into your own code. Alright? All good. So first what you have to do is go down here and create a C# script that's named bills or whatever, but I'd recommend bills because we're going to have more things that will cost, like we'll need to pay for like electricity and water and land and all of that good stuff in the future. But for now we'll just have to pay taxes, and those taxes just magically disappear from your bank account. But yeah, create your bills script and open it up in Visual Studio. Just wait for it to load, shouldn't take too long. Okay, so first what you have to do is go to your earn money script, and from here you need to change this from a public float to a public static if I can spell like that. You need to change the public static float. What this will do, it will basically make it much easier to reference it from different scripts. You'll see what I mean later on, or you might have seen it even in the build script if you was quick enough. But yeah, you'll see what I mean. Now you'll get some errors in this particular script here, but don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that as well later. So okay, go back to your build script now and add all of these right here. So you need to add a serialized field, a private text money text, and remember to use text objects in script. You need to have this using unityengine.ui at the top. Alright, when you've added that, you can just do this, and then you need to do serialized field, private float tax timer, and then also private float tax. And remember to always end the line off with a semicolon. Very important, otherwise Unity will be screaming at you because you don't have it. Alright, good. Now you should have time to do that, so moving on. Remove the void update and remove the green text up here if you like. That's not necessary, but you know, if you want to, you can. So just leave your void start empty for now. Alright, Then go down under it or above it. I'd recommend under, but you know, you can choose. Under is better, at least in my opinion. So here just do enumerator taxes and 2 brackets, one opening and one closing brackets. Then just switch to a new line, or just go up here and put curly braces. Now I always like this to be down here and not up here, just FYI. But that's also up to personal preference. I'm not going to judge you about what you do, alright? So next thing you have to add is this tax timer. That's this variable up here. If you named it differently, you need to have that here. Equals random.range, and this is very important. This is the time it will take before you pay taxes, so it'll be anywhere from 50 seconds to 70 seconds. Now you may be wondering why I have 71 here. That's because you have to have that, because if you just have 70, it'll be 69. And if you have something else, if you want to be 60 seconds, then if you just type 60 here, it will be 59. There's probably some logical explanation to why that is, but I know what it is, alright? Don't ask me, you can Google it if you want, but yeah, you know. So this will basically make this random each time we loop this enumerator. Right, so just do this and end the line off with a semicolon. Then just do yield return new, wait 4 seconds, and tax timer. So what this does is this yield return, I know really. Alright, don't judge me, I'm not a professional. New, I know either what that does, but here this, wait 4 seconds. I reckon all of you know what that means. So to use this, you need to have this yield return new, wait 4 seconds, and you can't do this in a normal void. Alright, always remember that if you want to use this, you need to have it in an enumerator, okay? Cool. And then this tax timer is how long it'll wait before it executes this code down here. And that is then whatever this, somewhere between 50 and 70. Alright, then we randomize how much we'll pay. So here tax, remember we created a tax variable up here, so if you named it something else, again you need to have that down here. Then just do equals random.range and 20 to 91. So this will be for me then between 20 and 90 you have to pay. It's a pretty big gap, but it will probably change this multiple times in the future, so it doesn't really matter what you put there right now. Okay, next thing, end off with a semicolon of course. Then here, you remember that we changed this here to static float. This is where it comes in handy. Earn money dot total money. So previously we'd had to do like this: get component, this less than and whatever sign, I don't know what it's called, earn money, brackets, dot, and it's called let's see, total money, money or something like that. Now we can't use that now because this is a static, but previously we'd had to do this. Now when we have that static, we can just do earn money dot total money, and that does exactly the same thing as the previous shown code, but you can only do this if your variable is static. Now I'm not saying that you should make every variable you have static, that will also cause a lot of problems, but you know, the variables that you need to use over multiple scripts can be much easier accessible if you do it like that. So what this basically does then is that it gets our total money, and it subtracts our tax, and the tax is whatever it generated up here. Then we do this as we've done both here and here, kinda. We update the text. You can just copy this, so this basically says money text is this text, get component text dot text equals earn money dot total money, and that's this or this here, dot toString. And basically when you have a float or an int or something else that isn't a string, you need to do toString to get it to a string, so you can use it in a text object. And then the final thing is start coroutine taxes. So here in start we just start the coroutine, and then when we get to the end it just loops itself. Alright, cool. So now just save the script, Ctrl S, and then go over to your buy shop script. Now this you might see have a lot of errors. I don't have, because I already fixed this, but this is also pretty easy. Just change get component thingy, just change that to earn money dot total money everywhere, and you should be good to go. Pause the video and do that, and come back to later. Now we can actually try this out. I know that works because I've obviously tried it already, but yes. So okay, just play your game. And one final detail, you need to drag the bill script onto here, and then your money text you should drag onto here, your money text number onto here, and don't touch any of these fields, alright? And then just play and we'll see. So game manager. So now the tax timer is 57 seconds, so after 57 seconds X amount of money will be subtracted, somewhere between 20 and 90. Okay, so while we wait, I'll do some cheeky self-promo. Only a small percentage of the viewers that watch my content are actually subscribed, so please subscribe, it helps me a lot. And leave a like if you like this video so far, leave a dislike if you hate it so far, and yeah, you know, always helps. And yeah, I know what I can fill this time out with. I can probably tell you that I'll stop doing the Discord bot for a while, and I'll go back to making devlogs instead. But as you just saw, if you wasn't too distracted with my talking, you could see that this tax was 71, and that 71 got subtracted from our money. So now again, in 58 seconds, X amount of cash will be removed from our balance. So that's pretty cool. Next time we'll probably improve this system, so stay tuned for that. But for now, that's all. Thank you for watching. As I said, leave a like if you like, dislike if you don't, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Peace out.